Welcome to ExHub MCQs. In this session, we cover minerals and energy resources, exploring key concepts through 100 multiple-choice questions with detailed explanations. Ank 1. What is the primary source of minerals? Option A, air. Option B, Earth's crust. Option C, oceans. Option D, plants. The correct answer is option B, Earth's crust. Explanation. Minerals are found in the Earth's crust, embedded in rocks. These minerals undergo refinement to extract metals used in various industries. Almost everything we use, from buildings to vehicles, contains minerals. MCQ. Which mineral is the hardest known natural substance? Option A, talc. Option B, graphite. Option C, diamond. Option D, quartz. The correct answer is option C, diamond. Explanation. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring mineral. It is used in cutting tools and jewelry due to its extreme hardness and ability to withstand wear. Its crystal structure makes it nearly unbreakable. EMS 3. What is the softest mineral known? Option A, quartz. Option B, feldspar. Option C, mica. Option D, talc. The correct answer is option D, talc. Explanation. Talc is the softest mineral and is commonly used in talcum powder. It has a slippery feel and is used in cosmetics, paper, and paint industries. Its low hardness allows it to be easily scratched by a fingernail. MCQ 4. What is the major iron ore found in India? Option A, option B, hematite. Option C, limonite. Option D, siderite. The correct answer is option B, hematite. Explanation. Hematite is the most important industrial iron ore in India. It contains 50 to 60% iron and is used extensively in steel manufacturing. Major deposits are found in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Karnataka. MCQ 5. Which state in India produces the largest amount of bauxite? Option N. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Odisha. Option D, Maharashtra. The correct answer is option C, Odisha. Explanation. Odisha is the largest producer of bauxite in India, contributing about 65% of the country's production. The Panchpatmali deposits in Koraput district are the most significant bauxite reserves in the state. MCQ 6. Which mineral is used in the production of steel and ferroalloys? Option A, copper. Option B, manganese. Option C, lead. Zinc. The correct answer is option B, manganese. Explanation. Manganese is essential in steel production and the manufacturing of ferroalloys. It strengthens steel and improves its resistance to wear. India has large reserves of manganese, mainly in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. MCQ 7. What is the primary use of limestone in industries? Option A, fertilizer production. Option B, cement manufacturing. Option C, jewelry making. Option D, electrical wiring. The correct answer is option B, cement manufacturing. Explanation. Limestone is a key raw material in cement production. It is a sedimentary rock composed mainly of calcium carbonate and is used in construction and metallurgy. Major limestone producing states include Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. MCQ 8. What is the leading producer of copper in India? Option A, Karnataka. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, Assam. The correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Explanation. Rajasthan's Khetri mines are the leading producers of copper in India. Copper is used extensively in electrical cables, electronics, and chemical industries due to its conductivity and malleability. MCQ 9. What type of mining is common in Meghalaya for coal extraction? Option A, open pit mining. Option B, rat hole mining. Option C, strip mining. Option D, shaft mining. The correct answer is option B, rat hole mining. Explanation. Rat hole mining is a small-scale mining practice in Meghalaya where coal is extracted from narrow tunnels. It is hazardous and was declared illegal by the National Green Tribunal due to its environmental and health risks. MCQ 10. Which region in India is known as the storehouse of minerals? Option A, Western Ghats. Option B, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Option C, Thar Desert. Option D, Aravalli Hills. The correct answer is option B, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Explanation. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals like coal, iron ore, mica, and bauxite. It plays a crucial role in India's mineral-based industries and contributes significantly to the country's mining sector. MCQ 11. What is the term used to describe a mineral-rich rock from which metals can be extracted profitably? Option A, sediment. Option B, ore. Option C, fossil. Option D, gemstone. The correct answer is option B, ore. Explanation. An ore is a naturally occurring rock or sediment containing minerals in sufficient concentration to make extraction economically viable. The mineral content must be high enough to justify mining. MCQ 12. Which mineral is widely used in electrical and electronic industries due to its excellent insulating properties? Option A, mica. Option B, bauxite. Option C, hematite. Option D, feldspar. The correct answer is option A, mica. Explanation. Mica is used in electrical and electronic industries due to its excellent dielectric strength, resistance to high voltage, and insulating properties. It is found in Jharkhand, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh. MCQ 13. Which mineral is used for making bleaching powder and insecticides? Option A, copper. Option B, zinc. Option C, manganese. Option D, lead. The correct answer is option C, manganese. Explanation. Manganese is used in making bleaching powder, insecticides, and paints. It is also an essential component in steel manufacturing. Major manganese-producing states include Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Odisha. MCQ 14. What is the main reason minerals occur in different forms and compositions? Option A, geographic location. Option B, human activity. Option C, physical and chemical conditions. Option D, climatic conditions. The correct answer is option C, physical and chemical conditions. Explanation. The formation of minerals depends on the physical and chemical conditions under which they develop. These factors determine properties like color, hardness, and crystalline structure. EMS 15. What type of rock formations contain minerals like coal, gypsum, and potash? Option A, igneous rocks. Option B, metamorphic rocks. Option C, sedimentary rocks. Option D, volcanic rocks. The correct answer is option C, sedimentary rocks. Explanation. Minerals like coal, gypsum, and potash are found in sedimentary rock formations. These minerals form due to accumulation, deposition, and compression of materials over long periods. What type of iron ore has the highest iron content? Option A, limonite. Option B, hematite. Option C, magnetite. Option D, siderite. The correct answer is option C, magnetite. Explanation. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with an iron content of up to 70%. It is highly magnetic and has excellent properties for industrial use, particularly in the electrical industry. MCQ 17. Which state is the leading producer of manganese in India? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Karnataka. The correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Explanation. Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of manganese in India, contributing around 33% of the country's production. It is essential for steel production and the manufacturing of ferroalloys. MCQ 18. How are minerals like bauxite formed? Option A, volcanic eruptions. Option B, cooling of magma. Option C, decomposition of surface rocks. Option D, metamorphism of limestone. The correct answer is option C, decomposition of surface rocks. Explanation. Bauxite is formed due to the decomposition of surface rocks, which removes soluble constituents, leaving behind a residual mass of weathered material. It is the primary source of aluminum. MCU 19. In which mineral-rich belt are the Bailadila iron ore mines located? Option A, Maharashtra Goa Belt. Option B, Odisha Jharkhand Belt. Option C, Durg Bastar Chandrapur Belt. Option D, Ballari Chitradurga Belt. The correct answer is option C, Durg Bastar Chandrapur Belt. Explanation. The Bailadila range in the Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt of Chhattisgarh is known for high-grade hematite iron ore. The ore from this region is exported to Japan and South Korea. MCQ 20. What is the primary use of copper in industries? Option A, fuel production. Option B, fertilizer manufacturing. Option C, electrical wiring. Option D, cement production. The correct answer is option C, electrical wiring. Explanation. Copper is widely used in electrical wiring due to its excellent conductivity, ductility, and resistance to corrosion. It is also used in electronics and chemical industries. MCQ 21. Which mineral is primarily used in the production of aluminium? Option A, hematite. Option B, bauxite. Option C, mica. Option D, quartz. The correct answer is option B, bauxite. Explanation. Bauxite is the primary source of aluminium as it contains high amounts of aluminium oxide. It is found in states like Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. MQ 22. What is the primary reason for the uneven distribution of minerals in India? Option A, climate variations. Option B, geological structure and processes. Option C, human activity. Option D, industrial development. The correct answer is option B, geological structure and processes. Explanation. The formation and concentration of minerals depend on geological conditions, including the type of rock, heat, and pressure, which lead to their uneven distribution across India. Which Indian state has the largest reserves of iron ore? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Odisha. Option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option C, Odisha. Explanation. Odisha has the largest reserves of iron ore in India, particularly in the Badampahar mines of Mayurbhanj and Kendujar districts. It contributes significantly to India's steel industry. MCQ 24. Which mineral is extracted from monazite sand found in Kerala? Option A, uranium. Option B, copper. Option C, thorium. Option D, manganese. The correct answer is option C, thorium. Explanation. Monazite sand found in Kerala is rich in thorium, a radioactive element used in nuclear energy production. India has one of the largest reserves of thorium in the world. MC25. What is the primary function of gypsum in industries? Option A, used as a fuel. Option B, cement and plaster production. Option C, making glass products. Option D, manufacturing steel. The correct answer is option B, cement and plaster production. Explanation. Gypsum is widely used in the cement industry and in making plaster of Paris. It is a sedimentary mineral formed due to the evaporation of saline water in arid regions. MCQ 26. What is the process of extracting minerals from the Earth's surface called? Option A, refining. Option B, smelting. Option C, mining. Option D, quarrying. The correct answer is option C, mining. Explanation. Mining is the process of extracting minerals from the Earth's crust. It can be done through various methods, such as open-pit mining, underground mining, and placer mining. Which of the following is an example of non-ferrous minerals? Option A, iron ore. Option B, manganese. Option C, bauxite. Option D, nickel. The correct answer is option C, bauxite. Explanation. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron, Bauxite is a non-ferrous mineral used to extract aluminium, which is widely used in industries for its lightweight and corrosion resistance. And 28. What type of mining involves digging deep tunnels to extract minerals? Option A, open pit mining. Shaft mining. Option C, placer mining. Option D, strip mining. The correct answer is option B, shaft mining. Explanation: shaft mining is a technique used to extract minerals that lie deep underground by digging vertical tunnels. This method is commonly used for mining coal and precious minerals. MC 29. Which type of coal has the highest carbon content and energy efficiency? Option A, lignite. Option B, bit. Option C, peat. Option D, anthracite. The correct answer is option D, anthracite. Anthracite is the highest grade of coal with over 90% carbon content. It burns with high efficiency and low smoke, making it the most valuable type of coal for energy production. 30. What is the major factor affecting the economic viability of a mineral reserve? Option A, depth of the reserve, concentration of the mineral. Option C, distance from the market. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Explanation: the economic viability of a mineral reserve depends on factors such as its concentration, ease of extraction, and proximity to industrial markets. High extraction costs can make mining uneconomical. MCQ 31. Which region in India is known for high-grade iron ore deposits and has a name meaning horse face in Kannada? Option A, Kudramukh. Option B, Bailadila. Option C, Noamundi. Option D, Jharia. The correct answer is option A, Kudramukh. Explanation: Kudramukh, located in Karnataka, is known for its high-quality iron ore. The name means horse face in Kannada due to the shape of the hills. It was a major iron ore mining site. MC 32. Which type of minerals contain iron and are essential for the metallurgical industry? Option A, non-ferrous minerals. Option B, ferrous minerals. Option C, non-metallic minerals. Option D, precious minerals. The correct answer is option B, ferrous minerals. Explanation: ferrous minerals contain iron and are crucial for industries, particularly steel production. Examples include iron ore, manganese, and chromite. India exports a large quantity of ferrous minerals. MC 33. Which type of minerals do not contain iron but are important for industrial use? Option A, ferrous minerals. Option B, metallic minerals. Option C, non-ferrous minerals. Option D, rare earth minerals. The correct answer is option C, non-ferrous minerals. Explanation: non-ferrous minerals such as copper, bauxite, and lead do not contain iron, but are widely used in industries like electronics, construction, and aviation. MC 34. Which mineral is primarily used in making electrical cables and chemical industries? Option A, copper. Option B, lead. Option C, zinc, manganese. The correct answer is option A, copper. Explanation: copper is an excellent conductor of electricity, making it ideal for electrical wiring. It is also used in chemical industries due to its resistance to corrosion and chemical reactions. MCQ 35. Which mineral is extracted from the Singhbum district of Jharkhand and used in electrical industries? Option A, iron ore. Option B, copper. Option C, bauxite. Option D, mica. The correct answer is option B, copper. Explanation: copper is extracted from Singhbum, Jharkhand, and is crucial for electrical and electronics industries due to its conductivity, malleability, and resistance to corrosion. MCQ 36. Which rock type contains minerals in veins and lodes? Option A, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Option B, sedimentary rocks. Option C, volcanic rocks. Option D, fossilized rocks. The correct answer is option A, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Explanation: In igneous and metamorphic rocks, minerals occur in veins, small deposits, and lodes, large deposits. These minerals include tin, copper, and zinc. MCQ 37. What is the primary method of extracting minerals found in alluvial deposits? Option A, open pit mining. Option B, underground mining. Option C, placer mining. Option D, quarrying. The correct answer is option C, placer mining. Explanation. Placer mining is used to extract minerals like gold, silver, and tin from alluvial deposits found in riverbeds and valley floors. The process involves sifting through sand and gravel. MCQ 38. Which of the following is an example of a non-metallic mineral? Option A, iron ore. Option B, bauxite. Option C, mica. Option D, chromite. The correct answer is option C, mica. Mica is a non-metallic mineral used in electrical and electronic industries due to its excellent insulating properties and resistance to high temperatures. MCQ 39. Which type of mining leads to the highest risk of land degradation and pollution? Option A, underground mining. Option B, placer mining. Option C, open pit mining. Option D, shaft mining. The correct answer is option C, open pit mining. Explanation. Open pit mining involves removing large amounts of surface material, leading to deforestation, soil erosion, and water pollution. It is commonly used for extracting minerals like coal and iron ore. M40. What is the most effective way to conserve mineral resources? Option A, reduce mineral consumption. Option B, increase mining operations. Option C, use low-grade ores. Option D, recycle metals. The correct answer is option D, recycle metals. Explanation. Recycling metals like iron, copper, and aluminum reduces the demand for fresh extraction and helps conserve non-renewable mineral resources. It also lowers production costs and environmental impact. MCQ 41. Which is the most commonly used energy resource in India? Option A, solar energy. Option B, option C, wind energy. Option D, geothermal energy. The correct answer is option B, coal. Explanation. Coal is the most abundantly available fossil fuel in India and is used for power generation, industrial energy needs, and domestic purposes. It forms the backbone of India's energy sector. MC 42. Which state in India has the largest lignite coal reserves? Option A, Jharkhand. Option B, Chhattisgarh. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Odisha. The correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Explanation. Tamil Nadu has significant lignite coal reserves, mainly in the Neyveli region. Lignite is a low-grade brown coal used for electricity generation. MC 43. What is the highest quality of coal? Option A, peat. Option B, lignite. Option C, bituminous. Option D, anthracite. The correct answer is option D, anthracite. Explanation. Anthracite is the highest quality coal with more than 90% carbon content. It has high energy efficiency and burns cleanly with minimal smoke. MC 44. Which region in India has the highest concentration of coal reserves? Option A, Western Ghats. Option B, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Option C, Thar Desert. Option D, Himalayas. The correct answer is option B, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Explanation. The Chota Nagpur Plateau has the largest concentration of coal reserves in India, with major coal fields in Jharia, Raniganj, and Bokaro. MC 45. Which state in India has the largest petroleum reserves? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, option C, Gujarat. Option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option B, Assam. Explanation. Assam has the largest petroleum reserves in India. The Digboy, Naharkatia, and Moranhug region oil fields contribute significantly to the country's oil production. MC 46. Which mineral resource acts as a nodal industry for multiple sectors like textiles and fertilizers? Option A, iron ore. Option B, petroleum. Option C, bauxite. Option D, copper. The correct answer is option B, petroleum. Explanation: petroleum refineries serve as nodal industries, supplying raw materials for synthetic textiles, fertilizers, plastics, and various chemical industries. MCQ 47. What is the major natural gas producing region in India? Option A, Western Ghats. Option B, Godavari Basin. Option C, Thar Desert. Option D, Sundarbans. The correct answer is option B, Godavari Basin. The Krishna-Godavari Basin is one of India's major natural gas-producing regions. It has significant reserves contributing to India's energy needs. MCQ 48. What is the primary use of natural gas in India? Option A, jewelry making. Option B, road construction. Option C, fuel for industries and households. Option D, iron smelting. The correct answer is option C, fuel for industries and households. Explanation: natural gas is used as a clean fuel for industries, power generation, and household cooking through pipeline distribution networks, PNG and CNG. MCQ 49. What is the main advantage of using natural gas over coal? Option A, higher pollution. Option B, limited availability. Option C, more expensive. Option D, environmentally cleaner. The correct answer is option D, environmentally cleaner. Explanation: natural gas produces lower carbon emissions than coal, making it a cleaner energy source for industries and domestic use. It is widely used in power plants and households. MCQ 50. What is the primary purpose of India's One Nation, One Grid initiative? Option A, improve transportation. Option B, increase energy conservation. Option C, establish a unified gas pipeline network. Option D, promote coal mining. The correct answer is option C, establish a unified gas pipeline network. Explanation: the One Nation, One Grid initiative by GAIL aims to connect gas sources with consumers through a nationwide pipeline network, ensuring a stable energy supply. MCQ 51. Which is the most commonly used fossil fuel for electricity generation in India? Option A, natural gas. Option B, coal. Option C, petroleum. Option D, uranium. The correct answer is option B, coal. Explanation: coal is the primary fossil fuel used for electricity generation in India due to its abundance. It powers thermal power plants that supply a significant portion of India's energy needs. MCQ 52. Which region in India has the largest petroleum production? Option A, Mumbai High. Option B, Vindhya Basin. Option C, Deccan Plateau. Option D, Chota Nagpur Plateau. The correct answer is option A, Mumbai High. Explanation: Mumbai High is India's largest offshore petroleum producing region. It contributes significantly to India's crude oil output. M53. Which state has the largest uranium reserves in India? Option A, Jharkhand. Option B, Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A, Jharkhand. Explanation: Jharkhand has the largest uranium reserves in India, primarily in the Jadiguda mines. Uranium is used for nuclear energy production. Which mineral is primarily used in nuclear power generation in India? Option A, thorium. Option B, copper. Option C, iron. Option D, manganese. The correct answer is option A, thorium. Explanation: thorium, found in monazite sands of Kerala, is a crucial element for nuclear power generation. India has one of the largest reserves of thorium. MC55. What is the primary advantage of hydroelectric power over thermal power? Option A, high pollution levels. Option B, uses fossil fuels. Option C, renewable energy source. Option D, more expensive. The correct answer is option C, renewable energy source. Explanation: Hydroelectric power is a renewable and clean energy source as it utilizes water flow to generate electricity without emitting greenhouse gases. MC 56. What is a major disadvantage of hydroelectric power projects? Option A, high fuel costs. Option B, dependence on coal. Option C, displacement of people and environmental impact. Option D, limited energy production. The correct answer is option C, displacement of people and environmental impact. Explanation. Large dam projects cause environmental damage and displacement of local communities, making them controversial despite being a renewable energy source. MCQ 57. Which state has the highest installed capacity of wind energy in India? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Rajasthan. Option Gujarat. The correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Explanation. Tamil Nadu has the highest installed capacity of wind energy in India, particularly in regions like Nagercoil and Madurai. It is a leader in renewable energy production. MC 58. Which of the following is an example of non-conventional energy? Energy. Option A, coal. Option B, petroleum. Option C, solar energy. Natural gas. The correct answer is option C, solar energy. Explanation. Solar energy is a non-conventional energy source that is renewable and sustainable. India has significant potential for solar power due to its tropical climate. 59. Which region in India has the highest potential for geothermal energy production? Option A, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Option B, Thar Desert. Option C, Puga Valley, Ladakh. Option D, Western Ghats. The correct answer is option C, Puga Valley, Ladakh. Explanation. Puga Valley in Ladakh is one of India's most promising geothermal energy sites due to high geothermal activity beneath the Earth's surface. MCQ 60. What is the primary reason for promoting renewable energy sources in India? Option A, decreasing coal prices. Option B, increasing global oil reserves. Option C, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Option D, high availability of uranium. The correct answer is option C, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Explanation. India promotes renewable energy sources to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels, ensure energy security, and minimize environmental pollution. MCQ 61. Which Indian state has the largest installed capacity for solar power generation? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Option D, Karnataka. The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Rajasthan has the largest installed solar power capacity in India due to its high solar radiation and vast desert landscape, making it ideal for solar energy production. MC 62. What is the primary benefit of solar energy? Option A, requires fossil fuels. Option B, generates pollution. Option C, renewable and abundant. Option D, limited availability. The correct answer is option C, renewable and abundant. Explanation. Solar energy is a renewable resource, meaning it will not deplete over time. It is also abundant in India due to its tropical climate, making it a sustainable energy source. MCQ 63. Which type of energy is generated from oceanic tides? Option A, wind energy. Option B, geothermal energy. Option C, tidal energy. Option D, biomass energy. The correct answer is option C, tidal energy. Explanation. Tidal energy is produced by harnessing the movement of ocean tides. India has potential sites for tidal energy in the Gulf of Khambhat and the Sundarbans region. M64. What is the main disadvantage of tidal energy? Option A, high fuel costs. Option B, irregular availability of tides. Option C, excessive land use. Option D, high pollution levels. The correct answer is option B, irregular availability of tides. Tidal energy depends on predictable but fluctuating ocean tides, which limits its efficiency and widespread use compared to other renewable sources. M65. Which renewable energy source is produced by decomposing organic waste? Option A, wind energy. Option B, solar energy. Option C, biomass energy. Option D, hydroelectric energy. The correct answer is option C, biomass energy. Explanation: biomass energy is produced from organic materials like agricultural waste, animal dung, and municipal waste. It provides a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. MCQ 66. What is the primary source of biogas in rural India? Option A, solar panels. Option B, wind turbines. Option C, gobar gas plants. Option D, hydroelectric dams. The correct answer is option C, gobar gas plants. Explanation: gobar gas plants use cattle dung to produce biogas, which is used for cooking and electricity generation. This method is eco-friendly and supports sustainable rural energy needs. MCQ 67. Which mineral is used in making fertilizers and is commonly extracted from sedimentary deposits? Option A, copper. Option B, phosphate. Option C, bauxite. Option D, manganese. The correct answer is option B, phosphate. Explanation: phosphate minerals are extracted from sedimentary deposits and are essential in making fertilizers, which improve agricultural productivity. MCQ 68. Which mineral is essential for the steel industry and is mixed with iron to strengthen it? Option A, copper. Option B, bauxite. Option C, manganese. Option D, quartz. The correct answer is option C, manganese. Explanation: manganese is used in steelmaking to improve strength and resistance to wear. India is a major producer of manganese, with deposits found in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. MCQ 69. What is the major reason for promoting energy conservation in India? Option A, increase dependence on fossil fuels. Option B, reduce electricity generation. Option C, reduce environmental impact and save resources. Option D, encourage mining activities. The correct answer is option C, reduce environmental impact and save resources. Explanation: energy conservation helps reduce environmental pollution, decrease dependence on fossil fuels, and ensure the sustainable use of energy resources for future generations. Which of the following energy sources has the least environmental impact? Option A, coal. Option B, petroleum. Option C, hydroelectric power. Option D, natural gas. The correct answer is option C, hydroelectric power. Explanation: hydroelectric power is a renewable and clean energy source that does not produce greenhouse gas emissions, making it environmentally sustainable. 71. Which mineral is widely used in the electronics industry for its insulating properties? Option A, mica. Option B, bauxite. Option C, hematite. Option D, quartz. The correct answer is option A, mica. Explanation: mica is used in the electronics industry due to its excellent insulating properties, resistance to high temperatures, and low power loss factor. It is essential for manufacturing electrical components and insulation materials. MCQ 72. What is the major component of limestone? Option A, calcium carbonate. Option B, iron oxide. Option C, silicon dioxide. Option D, aluminium oxide. The correct answer is option A, calcium carbonate. Explanation: limestone is primarily composed of calcium carbonate and is an essential raw material for cement production and iron smelting. It is also used in the production of glass, steel, and agriculture. MCQ 73. Which Indian region is famous for high-quality marble deposits? Option A, Chotanagpur Plateau. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Meghalaya. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Explanation: Rajasthan is known for its high-quality marble, which is widely used in construction and sculpture. The Makrana region is especially famous for its white marble, used in monuments like the Taj Mahal. MCQ 74. What is the most common use of bauxite? Option A, fertilizer production. Option B, aluminium extraction. Option C, steelmaking. Option D, cement production. The correct answer is option B, aluminium extraction. Explanation. Bauxite is the primary ore of aluminium, which is used in industries such as aviation, packaging, and electrical wiring due to its lightweight and corrosion resistance. M75, which is the most abundant fossil fuel found in India? Option A, petroleum. Option B, coal. Option C, natural gas. Option D, uranium. The correct answer is option B, coal. Coal is India's most abundant fossil fuel and is primarily used for electricity generation and industrial processes. The major reserves are in Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. MCQ 76. What is the primary reason for developing non-conventional energy sources in India? Option A, depleting fossil fuel reserves. Option B, high mining costs. Option C, lack of conventional energy sources. Option D, government regulations. The correct answer is option A, depleting fossil fuel reserves. Explanation. India is focusing on non-conventional energy sources like solar and wind power due to the rapid depletion of fossil fuel reserves and rising energy demands. MCQ 77. What is the main component of natural gas? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, methane. Option D, sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is option C, methane. Explanation. Methane is the primary component of natural gas, making it a clean-burning fuel used for electricity generation, industrial heating, and household cooking. Which type of mining is the least harmful to the environment? Option A, open pit mining. Option B, shaft mining. Option C, placer mining. Option D, strip mining. The correct answer is option C, placer mining. Explanation. Placer mining, which involves sifting minerals from riverbeds and valley floors, is less destructive compared to open pit and shaft mining, which involve large-scale land excavation. 79. What is the primary reason for pollution in mining areas? Option A, agricultural runoff. B, industrial emissions. Option C, dumping of waste and slurry. Option D, transportation activities. The correct answer is option C, dumping of waste and slurry. Explanation. Mining generates large amounts of waste and slurry, which can pollute water sources, degrade land, and impact biodiversity. Stricter regulations are needed to control this pollution. MCQ 80. Which type of power plant is mostly used for generating electricity in India? Option A, nuclear power plants. Option B, hydroelectric power plants. Option C, thermal power plants. Option D, wind power plants. The correct answer is option C, thermal power plants. Explanation. Thermal power plants, which use coal, petroleum, or natural gas, are the most common in India due to the country's abundant fossil fuel reserves. They provide a major portion of India's electricity supply. MCQ 81. Which mineral is commonly used in making glass and ceramics? Option A, hematite. Option B, quartz. Option C, bauxite. Option D, mica. The correct answer is option B, quartz. Explanation. Quartz is widely used in making glass, ceramics, and optical instruments due to its hardness, transparency, and resistance to chemical weathering. It is one of the most abundant minerals in the Earth's crust. MCQ 82. Which region in India is the leading producer of mica? Option A, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Option B, Western Ghats. Option C, Vindhya Range. Option D, Satpura Range. The correct answer is option A, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Explanation. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, particularly in Jharkhand, is India's leading mica-producing region, supplying the mineral for electrical, cosmetic, and industrial applications. MCQ 83. What is the main environmental concern associated with open-pit mining? Option A, air pollution. Option B, land degradation. Option C, noise pollution. Option D, overpopulation. The correct answer is option B, land degradation. Explanation: open-pit mining removes large surface areas, leading to deforestation, soil erosion, and loss of biodiversity. It disrupts ecosystems and makes land restoration difficult. MQ 84. Which metal is extracted from chalcopyrite ore? Option A, iron. Option B, aluminium. Option C, copper. Option D, zinc. The correct answer is option C, copper. Explanation: chalcopyrite is a major copper ore, widely used for electrical wiring, roofing, and plumbing due to its high conductivity and corrosion resistance. MQ 85. Which non-metallic mineral is essential for the cement industry? Option A, option B, limestone. Option C, bauxite. Option D, gypsum. The correct answer is option B, limestone. Explanation: limestone is the key raw material in cement production. It is also used in iron smelting, agriculture, and as a construction material due to its durability and availability. MCQ 86. Which form of coal is the lowest grade with high moisture content? Option A, anthracite. Option B, bituminous. Option C, lignite. Peat. The correct answer is option D, peat. Explanation: peat is the lowest grade of coal, containing high moisture and low carbon content. It is the first stage in the formation of coal from decomposed plant material and has limited energy efficiency. MC 87. Which of the following is a primary reason for encouraging wind energy in India? Option A, high availability of coal. Option B, government policies. Option C, abundant wind resources. Option D, decline in hydropower production. The correct answer is option C, abundant wind resources. Explanation: India has vast wind energy potential, especially in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Wind power is a clean and renewable energy source with minimal environmental impact. MC 88. What is the primary use of uranium in India? Option A, electrical wiring. Option B, nuclear power generation. Option C, steel manufacturing. Option D, fertilizer production. The correct answer is option B, nuclear power generation. Explanation: uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear power plants to generate electricity. India has uranium reserves in Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh, supporting its nuclear energy program. MC 89. Which mineral is extracted from the Biladila range in Chhattisgarh? Option A, bauxite. Option B, option C, manganese. Option D, iron ore. The correct answer is option D, iron ore. Explanation: the Biladila Hills in Chhattisgarh are known for their high-grade hematite iron ore, which is used for steel manufacturing and is exported to other countries. MCU 90. Which mineral is used in making electrical batteries? Option A, limestone. Option B, bauxite. Option C, lead. Option D, quartz. The correct answer is option C, lead. Explanation: lead is widely used in manufacturing batteries, especially for automobiles and backup power storage. India has lead reserves in Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh, supporting the battery industry. MCQ 91. Which mineral is mainly extracted from the Khetri mines in Rajasthan? Option A, copper. Option B, bauxite. Option C, manganese. Option D, iron ore. The correct answer is option A, copper. Explanation: the Khetri mines in Rajasthan are a major source of copper in India, an essential metal used in electrical wiring, plumbing, and industrial machinery. MCQ 92. What is the main disadvantage of using fossil fuels for energy production? Option A, high efficiency. Option B, low cost. Option C, environmental pollution. Option D, easy availability. The correct answer is option C, environmental pollution. Explanation: fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas cause air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, leading to global warming and climate change. MCQ 93. Which type of coal is most commonly used in thermal power plants? Option A, peat. Option B, lignite. Option C, bituminous. Option D, anthracite. The correct answer is option C, bituminous. Explanation: bituminous coal is widely used in thermal power plants due to its relatively high energy content and moderate moisture level, making it efficient for electricity generation. MCQ 94. What is the major reason for promoting nuclear energy in India? Option A, unlimited uranium reserves. Option B, low construction cost. Option C, reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Option D, lack of hydropower potential. The correct answer is option C, reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Nuclear power plants produce energy with minimal carbon emissions, making them an essential alternative to fossil fuels for reducing environmental pollution. MCQ 95. Which of the following states has the largest reserves of thorium in India? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Jharkhand. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Explanation: the monazite sands of Kerala contain large reserves of thorium, a radioactive element used in nuclear energy production. India has one of the largest thorium reserves in the world. MCQ 96. Which metal is commonly used in making aircraft due to its lightweight nature? Option A, iron. Option B, copper. Option C, aluminium. Option D, lead. The correct answer is option C, aluminium. Explanation: aluminium is widely used in the aerospace industry due to its high strength-to-weight ratio, corrosion resistance, and ease of fabrication. It is essential for manufacturing aircraft, automobiles, and packaging materials. Which of the following is an example of a non-conventional energy source? Option A, coal. Option B, petroleum. Option C, geothermal energy. Option D, natural gas. The correct answer is option C, geothermal energy. Explanation: geothermal energy is a non-conventional energy source generated from the Earth's internal heat. India has geothermal potential in Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. MCQ 98. What is the primary advantage of using wind energy? Option A, high installation cost. Option B, non-renewable. Option C, no air pollution. Option D, limited wind availability. The correct answer is option C, no air pollution. Explanation: wind energy is a clean and renewable energy source that does not produce air pollution or greenhouse gas emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option. 99. What is the term for minerals deposited in river sands and valley floors? Option A, placer deposits. Option B, veins. Option C, lodes. Option D, quarry deposits. The correct answer is option A, placer deposits. Explanation: placer deposits are mineral accumulations found in river sands and valley floors, often containing valuable minerals like gold, tin, and platinum. They are mined using placer mining techniques. MCQ 100. Which energy resource is extracted from deep underground rock formations and used as a fuel? Option A, coal. Option B, petroleum. Option C, natural gas. Option D, uranium. The correct answer is option C, natural gas. Explanation: natural gas is extracted from deep underground rock formations and is used as a fuel for electricity generation, heating, and cooking due to its efficiency and lower carbon emissions. It is a cleaner alternative to coal and petroleum. Thank you for joining us at ExHub MCQs. We hope this session on minerals and energy resources has helped you strengthen your understanding of this important topic. Through these 100 multiple-choice questions, we covered essential concepts such as mineral distribution, types of minerals, mining methods, environmental impacts, and various energy resources, including conventional and non-conventional sources. Understanding these topics is crucial for students preparing for competitive exams, board exams, or anyone interested in geography and environmental studies. Minerals play a vital role in industrial development, and energy resources are the backbone of economic growth. Knowing their sources, uses, and conservation methods will help you stay informed and prepared. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ExHub MCQs for more high-quality educational content. Stay tuned for more chapters, subject-wise MCQs, and in-depth explanations to boost your knowledge and exam preparation. Feel free to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and ace your exams with ExHub MCs. See you in the next session.